Hi, I'm Dan Deshane, the Learning Center Coordinator at the Mankato campus.
And I'm Ashley Guy, the librarian.
In this video, Ashley is going to show you how to use the CourseSmart app on an Android device.
To get started, the first thing that you need to do is to create an account at CourseSmart.com using your Rasmussen email. On your Android phone, navigate to the Play Store, where you can then search for CourseSmart and download the CourseSmart e-textbook app. Once downloaded, you'll have an app on your phone that you can navigate to, and when you click on the icon, you'll be brought to your bookshelf. Here we can see the books that I have access to in my account, and reading a book is as simple as tapping on the title. From here, I can navigate the book using the page arrows along the bottom. I can zoom by using my fingers, or I can use the zoom icons down at the bottom. I can bookmark my page by using the bookmark icon down at the bottom. I can also add a note to the page by clicking on the Post-it note. I can highlight text in my book by pressing and holding on the screen and then dragging the arrow to highlight the text that I would like to highlight. From here, I can click Save, which will then highlight in my book. I can also highlight text and add a note to that text, essentially annotating my book. From here, I just select Save. Here I am back on my book. Down at the bottom, I can see that I have 2 notes in my book. I can click on the page icon along the top to view the table of contents. I can navigate to my notes by clicking on that note there. And I can also go to my bookmarks. Here I've bookmarked page 6, and this will jump me to page 6 in my book. This is also another page of table of contents icon along the top. This icon here will give you thumbnail views of your pages so that if maybe you remember in your head you saw a picture on a page, you could scroll through and select the page that you want. You can also use the magnifying glass to search within the book. You have 3 options. You can search through the page, the chapter of the book, or you can search the entire book for a term. Going back to our bookshelf, we can actually check out our book to read offline by selecting the push pin. This will download the book and give us access to the content offline when we don't have access to the internet. From here, we can see that when we're done using our book offline, we can check it back in, and we can also sync any changes that we make to the offline version. Here we can see that we can open our book offline, and we're still able to add bookmarks, add notes, and even highlight in our book while we're offline. When we go back to our bookshelf, we can actually sync those changes so that whenever we sign into CourseSmart again on another device, those changes will be saved and you can see them anywhere that you're logged in. And that's how to get started with CourseSmart on your Android phone.